In this question, you're asked to prove that these four vertices form a parallelogram. And you're also asked to check whether it becomes a rectangle or not. So again, a very straightforward question. Let us say that the vertices are A, B, C, D. Now, how do we determine whether it forms a parallelogram or not? Just by seeing whether diagonals bisect each other or not. So what is the midpoint of AC? The midpoint of AC is -2 plus 4 by 2 minus 1 plus 3 by 2. That is equal to -2 plus 4 is 2 by 2 is 1. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2 by 2 is 1. 1 comma 1. What is the midpoint of BD? So 1 plus 1 by 2, 0 plus 2 by 2. That is equal to 1 comma 1. So the midpoint of AC is same as the midpoint of BD. That means diagonals bisect each other. So if you take the figure, it looks something like this: A, B, C, D. We have seen that the midpoint of AC and the midpoint of BD is same. Hence, ABCD is a parallelogram. There's no doubt about it. Now, you're also asked to check whether it becomes a rectangle, whether it becomes more specific. So when will a parallelogram become a rectangle? If the diagonals are equal. So to see whether it is a rectangle or not, we have to measure the lengths of the diagonals also. So what is AC? Root of 4 plus 2 whole square plus 3 plus 1 whole square. Root of 6 square plus 4 square, that is equal to root of 36 plus 14 is root 50. And what is BD? BD is nothing but root of 1 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square, that is equal to root 4, which is equal to 2. So AC and BD are not equal. This implies ABCD is not a rectangle. Not a rectangle. Thank you.